Hello everyone. Question is, which AWS service can a company use to securely store and encrypt passwords for a database? Option A, AWS Shield. Option B, AWS Secrets Manager. Option C, AWS Identity and Access Management IAM. Option D, Amazon Cognito. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a company wants to integrate its online shopping website with social media login credentials. Which AWS service can the company use to make this integration? Option A, AWS Directory Service. Option B, AWS Identity and Access Management IAM. Option C, Amazon Cognito. Option D, AWS IAM Identity Center AWS Single Sign-On. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a company needs to migrate a post-GRE SQL database from on-premises to Amazon RDS. Which AWS service or tool should the company use to meet this requirement? Option A, Cloud Adoption Readiness Tool. Option B, AWS Migration Hub. Option C, AWS Database Migration Service AWS DMS. Option D, AWS Application Migration Service. Correct answer is option C. Question is, which task requires a user to sign in as the AWS account root user? Option A, the deletion of IAM users. Option B, the deletion of an AWS account. Option C, the creation of an organization in AWS organizations. Option D, the deletion of Amazon EC2 instances. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which guidelines is a well-architected design principle for building cloud applications? Option A, keep static data closer to compute resources. Option B, provision resources for peak capacity. Option C, design for automated recovery from failure. Option D, use tightly coupled components. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a solutions architect needs to maintain a fleet of Amazon EC2 instances so that any impaired instances are replaced with new ones. Which AWS service should the solutions architect use? Option A, Amazon Elastic Container Service Amazon ECS. Option B, Amazon Guard Duty. Option C, AWS Shield. Option D, AWS Auto Scaling. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which AWS service makes it easier to monitor and troubleshoot application logs and cloud resources? Option A, Amazon EC2. Option B, AWS Identity and Access Management IAM. Option C, Amazon CloudWatch. Option D, AWS CloudTrail. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which AWS service will help a company plan a migration to AWS by collecting the configuration, uses, and behavior data of on-premises data centers? Option A, AWS Resource Groups. Option B, AWS Application Discovery Service. Option C, AWS Service Catalog. Option D, AWS Systems Manager. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a company is in the early stages of planning a migration to AWS. The company wants to obtain the monthly predicted total AWS cost of ownership for future Amazon EC2 instances and associated storage. Which AWS service or tools should the company use to meet these requirements? Option A, AWS Pricing Calculator. Option B, AWS Compute Optimizer. Option C, AWS Trusted Advisor. Option D, AWS Application Migration Service. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.